Ms. Harriet Chiggai.
Good afternoon.
You feel that you're a suitable candidate for IEBC?
Thank you very much, sir. Chair, I want to believe I'm suited to take up this position because of my track record. All the institutions that I have served, Chair, I have been able to register track record that can actually be weighted. By virtue of that, I would wish to bring that expertise also and experience in terms of matters governance to this particular institution. I would also wish to be weighted after my work within the institution and for me to be ranked in terms of my performance. I want to believe I'm best suited because also of the various activities and experience and skills that I have. One of them is training. The other one is dispute resolution, mediation. And the other one is the art of bringing people together and the art of putting in place proper governance structures within an institution.